Shangbo Royal Shrine and Meeting Place is the Oyo Kingdom, Oyo Tunji tribal government being set up, mixed with Egbe, Kapando, another Yoruba kingdom in Ghana. A lot of people don't know it. Egbe, Ife, we're all one people. We're setting up bonfires, a meeting place, royal meeting place, cleaning up the bags, cleaning up the land, making it royal, waiting on the flags, just working on royal meeting place. A lot of people in Jacksonville aren't ready for this. They'll just be talking online. They're not coming to meet. Some people are starting to come in. Oyo Tunji, the Oyo Kingdom right next to Dahomey is another. It's in the Woman King. It's a popular kingdom nowadays, but that's a branch of Oyo Kingdom. We have that here. People coming here in Jacksonville. Elway's coming. I'm from Igbo, 50 million here. Yoruba, 50 million there. We're all coming together. Don't believe what you see online about us collapsing, or some people are not ready for this work, or not ready to take the heat, and they're not ready to meet face to face with respect. But we have the Chess Foundation here. We have Nana Adorkor. She has the reincarnated spirit of Marcus Garvey's field organizer. She's been doing the work for 20 years, and people have not been respecting the work or acknowledging that she's bringing African imperialism, African fundamental civilization. This is not regular Pan-Africanism. It's not for everyone. It's for royal people who want to change their life, and we're slowly growing again. We're on ground. Igbo's 50 million, Yoruba's 100 million, 50 million in Africa, 50 million in Ghana and Ivory Coast. We're growing. So don't believe the hype, whatever people talk. Believe what you see on ground, people meeting, marking their territory with royal symbols, Egbe symbols. Don't believe the hype. Not everybody's ready to take over the churches and the schools with that African civilization, African fundamentalism. They're not, you got to see people on ground, more than one person, cells of people working together. So that's how we're going to do it. Homeowners associations, Agbo Ile, homeowners association, extended families. We're just building house by house, village to village in USA, in Africa. We're coming together. Bantu, Igbo, Nile, Borgu, Mali Empire in Nigeria. We're all working together. So don't believe the hype. Peace from Jacksonville. The Florida Caribbean. AME Church is here. Haiti's here. South America's here. We're all coming together. Don't believe the hype.